Nursery cartoon love journey with hues. In the shimmering sun where the waters gleam bright, 5 ducks dance and splash in sheer delight. With feathers of gold and beaks painted cheer, they quack out their songs for all hearts to hear. Round they glide on the surface so cool, rippling reflections in this perfect pool. Each stroke a ballet, each dive an embrace. Joy radiates forth from their playful grace. One dips down low with a flick of her tail, creating soft waves like a whispered tale. The others erupt into laughter and glee, a symphony woven by nature's decree. Beneath lily paths where shadows entwine, they find secret treasures that shimmer and shine. A world full of wonder beneath liquid skies, in this tranquil haven where innocence lies. As twilight descends with its blush on the scene, golden hues soften to delicate green. The ducks settle close as the day whispers rest. Together they huddle, it's warmth they know best. But one little dreamer lifts his head high and gazes at clouds drifting slow through the sky. With visions of journeys far beyond this pool, he wonders what life holds outside of their rule.
What a splash!
Yet bonds of affection hold firm like a chain. No matter how far dreams may lead them to roam, these 5 will return where their laughter remains, in echoes of water that call them back home. So let us remember those moments so pure. 5 ducks in a pool, their joy is our cure. For in simple splashes and quack shared anew, we find life's sweet essence reflected in blue.
Splish splash, having a blast, dancing in the pool so fast.
Nursery cartoon love journey with hues.